water landing or life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from...
One hour later.
Touchdown, Lagandingan City.
Kang diretso sa Balinguan. Mayroon po, pero Pacquiao.
Ah,
Pag ano nga kayo para makasipya, ano din naman ang ura.
okay. Sige. Thank you. Hey guys, so from the airport, magpapan kami papuntang Agora Terminal. So that's 200 pesos each. We're finally here at the Agora Terminal, guys. Ayan. Before taking a bus to Balingoan Port, we decided to have our lunch here at Mr. 8 Fast Food, which is a local eatery here in CDO. They have lots of dishes to choose from and very affordable pa, guys. I ordered their Mongo, Bicol Express, and a cup of rice for only 120 pesos. Kutum yarn. Then we grabbed some donuts from a local donut shop, Mr. Poppers, for our trip later. So yeah, make sure to try them out. So upon entering the bus terminal itself, you need to pay a terminal fee of 5 pesos each. Then you need to take a bus going to Butuan and ask the driver to drop you at Balingoan Port. Guys, we're on our way to Balingoan Port. So 198 lang yung fare kapag air condition, and kapag non-aircon 158 lang. Yun, 158.
Many hours later.
Guys, update. So, it's already 2:25. Nandito na kami sa may Balingoan. Ayan, very late na. So, konting lakad na lang. Tapos pupunta na kami sa may port. Oh, it's raining. So, after 2 hours of traveling, we're finally here at Balingoan Port. So, guys, before you purchase your ticket, make sure to sign up for an account at I'llVisitCamiguin.com and download the QR codes on your phone because you're gonna be needing that at the Camiguin Port as well. Once done, have it scanned first at the designated booth. Also, guys, you're gonna be paying for environmental fee, which is 15 pesos each, terminal fee of 15 pesos each, and shuttle ferry going to Camiguin Island is 359 pesos each. Guys, we're finally here at Benoni Port. So, yun. Yung QR code na ginawa nyo kanina, make sure na may nakasave yung screenshot. Kasi kakailangan nyo siya dito. May QR scanner din dito sa pagpasok nyo sa Camiguin. So, yun. Nandito na kami sa my road, guys, sa labas ng port. So, mag-aantay kami ng jeep papuntang Mambahaw. Then, another jeep na naman papuntang SJ Pabua. So, good luck sa amin, guys. Since it was already late and there were no jeeps around anymore, we decided to join the 3 tourists in a private motorella and ask the driver to drop us at Barangay Agoho, where our accommodation is located. Benj and I only paid 150 pesos each for the ride. Guys, we're finally here at SJ Paba Travelers Inn. Finally. Yan, nakakapagpahinga na tayo.
May breakfast kayo dito.
Hello mga karor! This is your girl Luisa and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And yes guys, welcome to my first travel vlog for this year. And yes guys, we are here in Camiguin Island. So, yun, this is my first time dito sa Camiguin Island. And after ng Camiguin, guys, magbubukid nun na rin kami. So, stay tuned din kayo sa vlog for that one. So, yun. So, ito na yung details kung paano pumunta dito. If in case bet nyo rin pumunta ng Camiguin Island. So, let's start with your flight, guys. If you're also coming to Manila, you need to book a flight going to Cagayan de Oro. So, that's the cheapest one na. Pero actually, hindi nga ganun ka-cheap kasi nag-book lang kami around January lang din. And January din yung flight namin papunta dito. So, it's kind of mahal. Pero it would be cheaper if meron kayong SEB pass. I-display ko na lang dito kung magkano binayaran ko for this flight. You also have the option, guys, na mag-direct flight to Camiguin. Kaso nga lang, super mahal na niya. Kasi siguro baka maliit lang yung aircraft na papunta dito sa Camiguin. And yun, if you want cheaper, mas better na lang yung Cagayan de Oro. And yeah, dito pala kami nagstay sa may SJ Pabwa Travelers Inn. So, mura lang siya, guys. For 2 nights, nakuha namin siya ng 1,780. So, that would be 890 pesos each from Agoda. So, link is also available in the description box ng video na to if in case bet nyo rin dito magstay. Pwede na rin kayo dito mag-rent ng motor kasi meron na rin sila. Just message them para at least aware sila na gusto nyo mag-rent and all. And with that, let's do a quick room tour.
Hey guys, yan medyo madilim na. Ito yung labas ng room namin. So yan, very nature vibe. Ito yung sa room namin, room number 4. So meron ditong table and chairs. Pasok na tayo. Ito guys, yung bed, good for 2 naman na siya. Of course, may aircon and enough space para lagay ng gamit nyo and may mini drawer dito. Meron ding TV dito, ayan. Small lang siya pero okay na rin. And charging station, lagay ng mga gamit nyo and all. Check na natin yung CR. Tada! May mirror naman. What I like about it is malinis siya, guys. So, may shower. Hindi nga lang siya natin cold. And ito may tabo naman. No bidet. That's it. All details will be available sa screen and of course sa description box ng video na to, guys. And the expenses na rin, ilalagay ko na rin dito para at least may idea kayo kung magkano yung magagastos nyo for the Camiguin trip. So magpapahinga muna kami. Then later lalabas kami for dinner. See you guys! Dito kami sa labas, guys.
Thank you.
Ang dilim. Hahanap kami ng makakainan. Dito kami, guys, sa may eatery, few steps lang galing dun sa may SJ Pabwa. Bukas na lang siguro kami mag-checkpoint kasi medyo malayo siya dito. Pero they sell mga barbecues here. Tsaka may mga ulam naman, so nice na rin. Here's our dinner. Nilagang baka, guys. Tapos chicken barbecue. Tapos yung tayo ng babakwa. Let's eat. Also, guys, here at SJ Pabwa, they have a common area where you can cook for free, and of course they have a free drinking water as well. So may place din sila na pwede nyong tambayan. Good morning, guys. So 3:20 AM na. So mag-breakfast muna. Grabe yung ulan dito kanina. Oh my God, sana mamaya hindi na. Tapos ang lamig-lamig dito, guys. So make sure na magdala kayo ng jacket if in case pupunta din kayo ng around ganitong month or probably next month. Good morning. Good morning. Ay! Ganito yung weather ngayon. Ayan, 25 degrees. Tapos, maulan na naman. Oh no. Here's our breakfast. 3-in-1 coffee to, guys. Tapos ito cup noodles. Tinapay. Tapos hindi lang donut kagabi. Guys, grabe yung ulan. Oh my God. Yan o. Morning po. Guys, good morning. So, almost 6 AM na. Mukhang tuloy na yung tour namin. So, if you also plan to do yung White Island tour, so yung Yung pump boat rate dito guys is 550 pesos siya. Good for 4 passengers na yun. Tapos mag-add na lang kayo ng 50 pesos each for the entrance fee. So yun, medyo madilim pa rin naman. But hopefully, wala nang ulan later. So, let's go!
Hello mga karar! So yes, we're finally here in White Island. So yun guys. Ang ganda dito, grabe. Para siyang wala siyang mga shots dito guys ha. So ayan, kung nakarating na kayo ng Siargao, para siyang naked island. Pero mas better kasi mas malaki yung sandbar nila dito. Grabe. Ayan o. Like, from doon, tapos dito. Ayan! So, pag sa drone shot, mas ma-appreciate nyo yung itsura ng buong island. Pero of course, if you don't have a drone, ma-appreciate nyo pa din naman yung island talaga pag dito na kayo. As in, ang ganda. Maganda na nga siya na itong medyo hindi maaraw. What if super maaraw talaga siya? Mas maganda talaga siya guys in person. So, ayan o. May mga clouds na naman doon. So, oh my God. Sana hindi na talaga umulan. So, we're still waiting for the araw para at least makapag-drone, no? And, yeah! Siguro, for now, we'll just enjoy the place. And guys, wala palang mga nagbebenta dito. So, if in case magtatagal kayo dito, make sure to bring your own baon, no? Or snacks. Meron namang bilihan doon sa may jump-off area. And, yeah. 3 hours ata kayo pwede magstay dito. So, if in case gusto niyo na bumalik doon sa may jump-off area, tawagan or text nyo na lang yung number na binigay nila sa'yo. Kasi may signal naman dito, guys. May phone signal naman dito sa White Island. So, guys, let's go! Hey guys, so we're still here at the White Island. So yun, medyo umulan kanina. Ngayon naman, medyo umaaraw na ng konti and nadadagdagan na yung mga dito, tourists dito sa White Island. Hopefully, completely umaraw na talaga siya para mas maganda naman sana sa video and pictures, right? Pero ganda pa rin naman dito guys. May enjoy nyo pa rin siya talaga. Papasundo na kami sa boat namin. Kaya namin tayo yung gawin. AM na. So, we're done na with the White Island. So, naglalakad na kami. Pupunta kami sa may checkpoint. So, parang kainan siya dito. Famous one. Then, so, dun kami, dun kami breakfast muna. Tapos, let's see kung saan na kami pupunta after. Ito guys, yung checkpoint. Kaso, they're still closed. Mamaya pa ata yung open nila. Nandito kami ulit guys sa may Abang Eatery. So, dito na kami magbe-breakfast. So, nandun lang banda dun sa unahan yung kung saan kami nagsistay. So, ayan siya. So, natin yung food. So, it's already 10:30 in the morning. So, nag-wash up na kami. Palit ng top. Tapos, magtutour kami today.
So, nag-hire kami ng multi-cab. So, that's 2,300 for 2 packs na siya. Pwede siya guys sa 8 locations. Pero kami 3 lang kasi maulan ngayon. So, parang hindi mo din ma-appreciate yung ibang destination. So, mostly yung pupuntahan lang namin for this tour is yung Mantigue, Sunken Cemetery, and yung Tuwasan Falls. And siguro mga somewhere na pwede kainan na lang siguro along the way. Ito guys, yung hinire namin na multi-cab. So, 2 lang kami. So, it will be cheaper if in case marami kayong mag-hire. So, ilalagay ko na lang sa description box and sa screen yung number ni Kuya if bet nyo rin for the tour. Okay?
A few moments later.
Our first destination for today is the Sunken Cemetery. So, nag-logbook muna kami dito sa may tourist center nila. Sa tapat lang siya mismo. Good morning! Ito nila to rentan, no? I think isa lang kayong dalang snorkeling gear. Yan. Tapos pagpasok nyo dito, meron ditong souvenir shops that you can buy. Morning! Morning po. Dami sila ditong souvenirs. Hi! Yan! There's the Sunken Cemetery, guys. Gusto nyo guys mag-swimming or tumawid papunta doon mismo. Pwede kayo mag-rent ng boat. So that's 150 pesos. Good for 2 bucks na siya. And balikan na rin. So ihatid nila kayo papunta doon. Then pabalik din. I-guide din nila kayo pabalik dito sa may shoreline. Alright? Tingnan muna namin sa baba before kami mag-decide if tatawid kami papunta doon. Ata guys, yun yung Ouija na movie. Ngayon, before. Ouija ata yun if I'm not mistaken.
The Sunken Cemetery in Camiguin, Philippines was created when a volcanic eruption in 1871 caused the burial ground to sink underwater. Now, it serves as a unique historical site where visitors can see submerged tombstones and cross markers, offering a glimpse into the island's past.
We're done here sa Sunken Cemetery. Hindi na kami nag-snorkeling kasi grabe yung lamig tsaka ang lakas ng current kasi. So may pupuntahan pa kami after. Siguro mag-swimming na lang kami sa may Mantigue Island later. So, let's go! Hello! Hello! Hello mga ka-roar! Update! So we're finally here at Tuwasan Falls. Ito yung signage niya. Meron din doon sa part na yon. So yeah, hindi ko lang alam kung may entrance fee dito. But yeah, let's see! Okay guys, kailangan din dito yung Clean Camiguin na QR code. So make sure na nakasave siya sa phone nyo. And they have entrance fee of 75 pesos each. Guys, ito na. We're here at Tuwasan Falls. Ayan siya, oh.
Tuwasan Falls is a stunning waterfall in Camiguin, Philippines. It's perfect for swimming and relaxation amidst lush greenery. Today, as a popular tourist destination in the island, Tuwasan Falls continues to attract visitors seeking respite and connection with nature.
Ano po yan?
Yung keeping po.
Keeping?
Hotkey.
Ooh. Keeping guys, 10 pesos lang. Make sure na try nyo ito pag pumunta kayo dito sa may
Tuwasan Falls. Dito lang kay ate ako. Guys, we're done here sa Tuwasan Falls. So, nagpalit lang ako. And we're gonna head to Mantigi Island. Let's go! Hello! Good afternoon! Hi guys! So anyways, it's already 2:31 in the afternoon. So guys, canceled yung Mantigi Island namin kasi hindi na kami maabot sa cut-off. And maalon din daw kasi. So yun, ginawa na lang namin, tanong na lang kami kung saan pa kami pwedeng pumunta. And we're here sa Katungan Park. So this is a mangrove park guys. At meron din ditong restaurant. So if ever gusto yung pumunta dito, they have entrance fee of 30 pesos per pax. So yun. At least may pwede pang puntahan if in case hindi pwede yung Mantigi Island. Malapit lang naman siya. Yun, let's explore the area. Ganda dito guys, mag-pictorial pala and video. Pwede siguro kayo dito mag-rent ng cottage. Just, tulad ng kanila. Guys, ingat lang pala kayo or else final destination. Char. Guys, yung late lunch namin dito sa may Katungan Park. So, for sisig siya. And this is for 300 pesos. Tapos yung rice, 20 pesos each. So, let's eat, guys. We're back from our tour. So, yun, sayang hindi kami nakapag-Mantigi Island. Sobrang ano na talaga, sama ng panahon. And yeah, may cut-off sila pala for that if bad talaga yung weather dito sa Camigen. So anyways, if plan nyo din na pumunta ng Camigen, so make sure to check yung weather siguro kung okay talaga at that time ng punta nyo. Kasi kung sunod-sunod yung ulan, so most likely mahihirapan kayo sa mga tours dito. And better if kung marami kayo, mag-hire na lang kayo ng multi-cab guys for tour. So, yung sa dito pala ay na kinuha namin na tour guide with multi-cab na siya sa SJ Pabwa siya mismo. So, if in case dito rin kayo magsistay, pwede kayo magtanong doon sa may-ari kung paano kayo makakapag-rent ng multi-cab. So, kapag marami kayo, medyo mataas sa 2.5 yung babayaran nyo talaga. So, normally 2.5 siya kapag dalawa lang daw na tao. So, 2.3 kasi binigay kasi may discount kami galing doon sa may-ari mismo. So, yun. Guys, magpapahinga na lang muna kami, then pack up na later kasi bukas maaga yung biyahe namin pabalik ng Balingoan Port kasi magbubukid doon kami. So, ilang sakay na naman yun tomorrow. So, we really need to get a rest. So, wala na kami pupuntahan bukas dito sa Camigen. Sayang lang kasi sobrang short lang ng trip namin dito. Siguro next time, no? Ayan. See you later. So, it's already 7:23 in the evening. So, nandito kami sa labas para mag-dinner. Nandito kami sa may La Isla Cocina. Tapos, parang tie-up din sila with Paradiso Resort. So, along the way lang siya, malapit na siya sa SJ Pablo. If you want mga Italian food or Mexican food, pwede kayo dito kumain. Here's our dinner. This spaghetti ugly also. Then, Hawaiian pizza! Dami! Let's eat! Yung Hawaiian pizza guys, it's worth 350 pesos. Tapos 8 slices. 8 ba? 12? Ganun. Sobrang laki na niya. Ang dami kaya. Tapos ugly olio. Nag-order kami around 290 ata siya. Super sulit. Good morning. So, This is our last couple of hours dito sa Camiguin. So right now, it's 7 a.m. and nakapag-check out na kami dito sa may SJ Pabwa. By the way, we had a great stay. Okay yung place nila dito guys, very nature vibe. Tapos may common area pa where you can cook and probably use their utensils and all. Aga kami mag-check out kasi kailangan na namin bumiyahe pabalik ng Cagayan de Oro. And babiyahe kami papuntang Bukidnon afterwards. So, yeah, ngayon mag-aabang kami ng motorela sa labas tapos sakay ulit papuntang Benoni Port. So update ko na lang kayo guys kung paano and how much it would be, okay? Yeah, magmamotorela kami papuntang Benoni Terminal. We're currently here at Benoni Terminal na. So, CR lang kami and then ito yung sasakyan namin papuntang Benoni Port. At ito pa our tickets. And that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much mga Karor for watching. I hope you still enjoyed our very short trip to Camiguin Island. And yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on this video if you have questions. And of course, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'll see you guys on my Bukidnon vlog. Bye! Your absence, life is boring, so I'll never leave.
There are 5 municipalities in this province and the main capital is Mambaxao. It's near the airport and most of the tourist spots, so we will be staying in this area for the next couple of days.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to another adventure! We're finally here at our hotel. We checked in here at Bintana sa Paraiso. I will leave the link and the information on the description box so you guys can check it. But I just wanted to do a quick room tour.
We finally arrived at our home for the next 3 days. Bintana sa Paraiso Boutique Hotel is a peaceful and relaxing accommodation. It has a swimming pool and a sea view. It's also a good spot for sunset. They have the comfiest bed and trust me when I say I had the best sleep. However, there's no phone signal both for Globe and Smart SIM. Good thing they have Starlink Wi-Fi, so it is still an ideal place for digital nomads.